2 cans of our French onion soup, 64 home-style frozen meatballs. All right, now I'm coming in with some Worcestershire sauce, and we're adding that right into our crock pot with our French onion soup and our meatballs. And I am just adding a couple tablespoons of the Worcestershire sauce. Just add to your liking. Yummy. Now, of course, we need some more onion and some more seasoning. So we are gonna add a packet of our onion dip mix, and we're gonna sprinkle that right on top of those meatballs for this super easy appetizer, dinner, whatever you wanna make this for. I love making this for dinner, but you can make this as an appetizer too. It is so versatile. But we added that whole packet right in there. And of course, we need to have some fresh onions. And I know you guys are gonna call me crazy. We have onion soup mix, and then we have our fresh onions. I mean, I did buy these already pre-cut at the store because I don't like to cry. But if you like crying, go ahead and freshly cut your yellow onion. This is about 1 whole onion. I think it says how much it is on here. Right there. And we're adding that all into our crock pot. Delicious. Now we are gonna add some more herbaceous flavor. I have some fresh thyme, but you could add some parsley in here. You could add some sage. You could really just customize it to your liking. And I am putting the full stems in here because when this is done, we can just pull out those stems and we won't eat it, but it'll release a lot of its aroma while it's heated up and cooking. But this is gonna be so delicious. And I do wanna note, you can make your own French onion soup. You can make your own meatballs. I'm just doing it this way because I like things to be super convenient, and I want a super quick dinner that will be ready just in time for me to enjoy. All right, and of course we have to give this a good mix. We need to make sure everything gets evenly distributed. We wanna make sure that those onions are all throughout. We wanna make sure that soup mix touches all of those meatballs. We want that thyme all combined in there so that everything gets the most flavor possible. Ooh, it smells so good. It just smells like an onion exploded in our kitchen, which I am not mad about. I mean, who doesn't love French onion soup? Who doesn't love meatballs? All right, I think this looks good enough. All those meatballs look wet, which is an indication that this is all mixed and ready to start cooking. All right, we're gonna put our lid on and pop this on high so that it is ready in time. All right, it's been 2.5 hours on high. Let's check these out. Oh my, they smell so good. I'm just gonna give this one quick little toss, and then we have something that we're gonna add into this that is a necessity. Doesn't that look so good? The onions are perfectly cooked.
Yum.
Yummy, it is right. All right, and of course, this is French onion inspired, so we need some cheese, and I found this Swiss and Gruyere shredded cheese, and we're gonna add this whole bag right on top and get this melted on top of our delicious French onion soup meatballs. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. All right, we have that on there. We're just gonna put our lid on until it's completely melted. All right, it's been like 20 extra minutes. These are ready. Oh
Wow.
my. Now you could serve these with mashed potatoes, rice, bread, whatever you wanna serve these with. We are just gonna go for them by themselves just for now so we can taste all those delicious flavors. Oh, I'm so
Cheese bowl.
excited. All right, I won't take all that cheese. Just a couple more meatballs in there and lots of onion. Yum. Those look so good, right?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, perfectly cooked. All that steam on there. Let's give this a try.
Are they good?
Oh my. These are so flavorful. I love them.